Hi everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about ropes and cordage. Ropes and cordage, what the heck is cordage? Well, I'll explain to you in a little bit more down-to-earth way. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, now's a great time to do it. Go ahead and click the subscribe button right down here, that little red button. And then when it turns gray, a little bell will pop up next to it. Click that so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Doesn't mean you have to watch it, just that you get notified and are given a heads up. Hey, GrayManPrepping posted a video. You might want to look at it. Alrighty, so ropes and cordages. First, let's start out with ropes. Why do you need ropes? Well, about 18 days ago, I posted one of these that was talking about tarps. What is one of the things that people use to secure tarps with? Ropes. And there are a lot of other uses for ropes as well. One of the things I want to show you is that there's a lot of different types of ropes. And make sure I got it here. There we go. Coming up. Bingo. There we go. Yeah, there are different types of ropes and used for different things. The standard 3-strand rope here is your common hemp rope, and the old brown rope, the fiber stuff. All right, that is a very good rope and is good for a lot of things. It was used for centuries. They've now replaced it with polyester, nylon, polypropylene, and a bunch of others. All right, there are a bunch of different types of them being made up. As you can see, they have different strands, different braiding techniques, brown plaid, double braided, cord dependent, double braided, a lot of them. So figure out what you need ropes for, and believe me, everyone needs some ropes. All right, now let's get rid of that. There we go. Now cordage. What am I talking about cordage? Well, I'm talking about your nylon twine, your hemp rope twine, your clotheslines, your paracords, and there are dozens of types of paracords, different thicknesses, different ways to put together, just like the rope. So figure out what you want to be using this stuff for so you can get it. When I was growing up, the number one use for cordage or twines was tying up bundles of newspapers or tying up small bundles of firewood, to move around. So whatever it is that you're going to need it for, take a look now and make sure you have some in stock, because later on you may not be able to get it. All right. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish or stupid. And most important of all, keep on prepping and upping your supplies. All right. And I'll see you in the next video.